Hi, Brent Grisdale with the CIO Council for Remote Communications. I'm here today with David Booth, CIO of North American Construction. David, you had some challenges when you first got to North American Construction. Maybe you could talk a little bit about what you had when you first got there.
That's a very good question. I mean, North American, when we first got there, it's a construction company and had not focused a lot on information technology. Had a lot of technology, but not information technology. And so things that we take for granted, making payroll, accounts receivable, things like that, we're running on unreliable hardware, unreliable software. And so to build credibility and to get past that hurdle of, IT is a cost center, just started improving some of the most fundamentals of infrastructure. And so, just now email works. Oh, look, now we can make payroll without having to do 1,000 alterations or changes. Look, the systems are starting to run. Kind of keep the lights on kind of stuff.
You took that and challenged from what those challenges were initially, and you actually drove into your organization that the CIO can be a revenue center for the organization, which is, of course, really a paradigm shift inside. Was there much resistance at the top level for you?
Not a lot. I think by building up some credibility at the most fundamental level, so the lights stay on, you know that systems are going to work, reliable. Then I was able to have a conversation with folks who, right there on sites. But how can we help? How can IT understand some of your challenges and we can help deliver that revenue? So, for example, in very remote locations, delivering connectivity in hours instead of what previously took weeks, and leasing that bandwidth to other organizations, because in some cases we're the only company who has connectivity. That brings in revenue. That catches the attention of the president, catches the attention of the board of directors.
If you're in the IT industry and you want to get an idea of a simple plan on how to turn your division into a revenue generating division as opposed to a cost center, you got to see this presentation. Thank you very much, David. I'm Brent Grisdale for Rigstar TV.
Thanks very much.